What if the solution to your bloated stomach, slow digestion, and stubborn belly fat was not a supplement, not a detox tea, and not an expensive program, but something as simple as a glass of warm water early in the morning? I'm Oko Shinanyaharet, and here we talk about practical health tips that support wellness naturally. And don't scroll away because what I'm about to tell you is not just another basic health tip. Most people wake up and immediately reach for coffee or check their phone or rush through their morning without giving their body what it needs first. Here is what is happening inside your body every morning that most people don't realize. After 7 to 8 hours of sleep, your body is naturally dehydrated, and this affects your digestive system, your bowel movement, your liver function, your energy levels, your appetite, and cravings. When you start your day with dehydration, everything runs slower. Your liver is still holding on to overnight waste. Your digestion becomes sluggish and your metabolism is not fully activated yet. Before I break the benefits, let me address this. Why warm water instead of cold water? Cold water constricts blood vessels. It slows down digestive function temporarily, can solidify fat from food you have eaten, can check the digestive system. Warm water relaxes blood vessels, improves circulation immediately, and can activate digestive enzymes, help break down fat more efficiently. Think of it this way. When you wash dishes with warm water versus cold water, warm water dissolves grease and its residue faster. Now let's talk about what happens to your body. Your body rehydrates after hours of sleep. When your body is dehydrated, it holds onto water as a survival mechanism. That means the puffness and the bloating you see in the morning is often your body desperately clinging onto water because it's not getting enough. When you consistently hydrate in the morning, your body releases that stored water and bloating decreases. This is why so many people wake up with a flatter stomach within just a few days of this habit. The second one is that it activates your digestive system. Your digestive system is one of the most water dependent systems. To digest food properly, you need water to produce digestive enzymes, soften waste for elimination, maintain the mucosal lining of the gut. Here is what is happening specifically in the mouth. Warm water stimulates saliva production. In the stomach, warm water helps relax the stomach lining and helps stimulate the production of gastric juice. In the small intestines, warm water improves the environment and help nutrients get absorbed more efficiently. In the large intestine, warm water softens waste material and make it move easily. You get a better digestion, less fermentation, less trapped gas, less bloating, and more regular bowel movement. It stimulates bowel movement, the gastrocolic reflex, This is one of the most powerful and immediate benefits of warm water in the morning. Inside your gut is a biological mechanism called the gastrocolic reflex. Here is how it works. When your stomach senses something warm entering inside it, it sends a signal to your colon that says, time to move and clear things out. This reflex triggers your colon to contract and push waste towards elimination. This is why so many people who drink warm water in the morning find themselves having a bowel movement within 20 to 30 minutes. And if you have ever struggled with constipation, bloating, irregular bowel movement, or fearful in the morning, this reflux may be the exact thing your body needs to reset. It improves liver function and morning detox. Warm water every morning is a simple and powerful way to support your liver and keep this fat burning organ running optimally. The fifth one is that it supports blood circulation. Warm water improves blood circulation throughout the entire body. Starting your morning with a warm water gives your circulatory system a gentle push, helping everything flow better from the very start of your day. Oxygen reaches cells faster, organ functions better, and metabolism activates more efficiently. The sixth one is that it slightly boosts your metabolism. Drinking warm water, regardless of the temperature, has been shown to increase energy expenditure temporarily. This is called water-induced thermogenesis. Studies shows that drinking 500 ml of water can increase metabolic rate by approximately 24 to 30% for up to 60 minutes. The seventh one is that it reduces morning inflammation. It reduces craving and help control appetite. This is one of the most underrated benefits. Most people mislead dehydration as hunger. When you are dehydrated, your body sends signal that feels like you are hungry. But this is not hunger. This is actually signal for water. When you drink warm water in the morning, you satisfy that initial need. The ninth one is that it improves skin health. When you consistently hydrate yourself in the morning, skin becomes more elastic. Puffness around the face reduces. Skin texture improves. Your body reflects its internal environment on the outside. Better hydration shows. The ninth one is that it supports your kidney function. Your kidney filters waste from your blood and excretes it through urine. Your kidney needs adequate water to do this properly. Drinking warm water early in the morning helps your kidney to function well from the very start of the day. Here is how to do this. Heat your water. Drink 1 or 2 cups first thing in the morning. You can add lemon. It is optional but powerful. Then wait for 15 to 20 minutes before eating. However, be mindful if you have acid reflux, if you have kidney disease, if you are pregnant, always listen to your body. Here is what to avoid. Don't drink it hot. Boiling water can damage the esophagus lining. Drink it warm, not boiling. Drinking coffee first, expecting instant fat loss, and drinking it too fast. Fixing dehydration will cost you nothing. It takes 2 minutes and the results are real. Your belly, your digestive system, your liver, and your kidney will thank you. Start tomorrow morning. Be consistent for 7 days and tell me in the comment section how you feel. I also did a video on the secret health benefit of cold and hot water shower. I will link it up here and in the description below. Do well to click on it. Subscribe for more health tips. And don't forget, I'm Okochinenye Harriet. See you in my next video.